Oh, it's different.
Oh.
I don't like it.
Come on in. Come on in. What do you think, Biggie?
What are you doing? Man, for reference for the people, I'm 6'5", so what? A whole foot taller than you?
I am not 6'5". In case you didn't know. Emily isn't either.
Really quiet, actually.
I really didn't hear it.
That's
you know, because you just locked it up.
Well, if it's a fuel fire, it says right here we're fucked.
Perfect.
Oh, it's different.
Oh,
I don't like it.
come on in. Come on in. Sam, you can be too. Biggie's here.
No, I don't like it.
No,
What do you mean? What are you comparing?
this.
To what?
This versus that center bar.
Oh, yeah, I like the center bar much better.
You saw it when I had it crudely mocked up. Let's get.
Yeah, no, the full mock-up, it's pretty good.
That came out so easy. This is a struggle. We had some stuff going on here. Don't you worry about it. This did fit before. Yeah?
Yeah, I like that.
It's way cooler.
It looks cooler.
Okay.
What do you think?
Biggie, come here, dude.
I don't like the
Come on.
glass.
Get in there. That's what I'm talking about. This is cage building. You just look at stuff and go, wow, does that look neat? Nah? Okay. Two things. The crossbar is stronger. This is not as strong, but it's definitely going to protect. And it does look cool. I don't know.
You said you were gonna add those little flapper things anyway, so.
I'm going to add some flapper things. I'm going to put some gussets in.
I was gonna say we end up gusseting that center bar too. Then.
Totally could. Totally could.
Yeah, then it'll make it stronger.
It's strong. It's not going to go anywhere. It's definitely stronger to have that bar than to not have that bar.
Yeah.
And protect our heads if we do a little whoop-de-doo. And I got clearance for days.
Yeah, as long as
And a great
your
camera mount.
passengers under, you know.
Right, yeah, I'm not riding in the car,
Get
but.
in there.
Alright, let's try.
Watch the clearance. Oh, you are so good.
I don't know, once he has a helmet
I was
on
gonna
it,
say helmet, no shot,
no
but
way.
like.
No
But this
way.
is a fucking Miata, Sam.
Right. I mean, I've ridden in worse for sure. Like I've been in cars with my head kind of cocked like that. So like that's pretty impressive, honestly. Not bad, bud. Almost like you know what you're doing.
Good enough. For us, little people, we're gonna be good. We got clearance for days.
That's probably a whole other thing.
For reference for the people, I'm 6'5", so what, a whole foot taller than you?
I am not 6'5". In case you didn't know. Emily isn't either.
So, I mean, that's pretty impressive, though, honestly.
I'm 5'7", so I got clearance for days. I can put this hammer on my head. I'll be chilling. Emily can wear 2 helmets.
Yeah.
Not bad at all, man.
Yeah, I think it's much better.
All right. Looks good to me. The seat is not connected. You know. So I know this is not one of my typical videos. I like to give you guys instruction. I like to give you tips. And I just had to blaze through this. I needed the cage in the car. I have an event in 2 weeks, Drift DIGP, and then the week after that is Drift Appalachia. This car needed a full roll cage, and I just knocked it out. I had to do it in about 2 days. I still have to weld everything, but I'm really happy with the way it turned out. I had Sam and Emily in here trying to check out the roof and see what it looked like, and we played with a couple ideas. I want to know what you guys think about it. So there's the crossbar or the one right in the middle. I think all of us landed on the middle bar. Looks pretty sick. It's a little bit higher, so you can kind of see it from the front, but it makes it look really tough. I like it. I know it's going to be safe, but let me know what you think in the comments. I am not welding this in yet. I will be welding it tomorrow. So if you guys tell me which one you like, I will probably be welding it in as I'm reading the comments. So I've made both bars. It's not over yet. So I will do an entire video on how to build a roll cage in the Honda Fit. I'm going to do one from the cage pads all the way to the end result, show you my tips and tricks and how to make it fairly simple, to be honest. But I had to just knock this thing out. So I have a lot to do on the car to get it ready for Drift DIGP and Drift Appalachia. I'd like to get it painted, like to get it looking nice. and I got new wheels. I got all kinds of stuff that I need to still do to this car, so I just had to jam on it. I will have some more updates as I got more parts for the S14. We're going to get jamming on that as soon as this car is back on the road. The S14 will be jamming away on that for round 2, which is not that far away. And I've also made some updates to the shop, so I want to update you guys on that probably next week. And the update this week is that I have hats and hoodies available, and I'm really happy with them. They turned out great. I have 4 different colors of the hats. They're very comfortable. They're nylon. It's like a surf cap. It's something comfortable that you can wear all day. I'm pretty picky about hats, and I really like these. But I'm very picky about hoodies, and these hoodies have turned out fantastic. They're super comfortable. I got plenty of room in my neck, which is always a problem for me. And I hate when they ride up, and these don't ride up. They're really nice, and they're just super comfortable. They look really slick, and it's a nice print that you can't really feel it. So it's very quality stuff. I really enjoy it. So if you can, go check it out. Go to maddecentracing.com and check out the hats, hoodies, and the stickers and shirts are still available if you want. So if you can support that way, please do it. If you can't, like, comment, subscribe. It's all free. I'm trying to build this channel up. I'd love to get over 100,000 this year. So let's keep pushing. I'm going to keep the content coming. And thank you guys for watching.